to show you how to make this lasagna bolognese. That's the recipe that I use all the time. It's very easy to make, it doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and it's super delicious. If you like my videos, please subscribe for my channel so you can see more of my content. And also, if you stay till the end, you're gonna see a little bit of footage from my trip in Rome. These are the ingredients that I'm using for my lasagna bolognese. If you have some fresh seasonings, your lasagna is going to taste even better. You can add some oregano, basil, anything you like. So first you're going to season the meat and you're going to cook it over the heat for a little while, just like half the way through, and then you're going to add the tomato sauce. Make sure when you add the tomato sauce to lower the temperature of cooking so the sauce doesn't splash all over the place, and stir constantly. That's gonna prevent the splashing as well. And so that was your bolognese sauce. For the sauce bechamel, you're going to add some flour to the cold milk and you're going to constantly stirring it over the heat until the thickness that you desire. You're going to season that with some salt and black pepper. In the original recipe, people add some butter, but I find it way too greasy and not that healthy. The beef that I'm using is greasy enough, so my lasagna is not going to be dry at all. So once your bechamel sauce looks like that, you're going to start to assemble the lasagna. You're gonna grease your pan and you're going to add a thin layer of bechamel sauce and a layer of noodles. You can either use oven-ready noodles or you can cook your noodles according to the packaging. After putting the layer of noodles, I'm going to put a thin layer of bechamel sauce again. Then I'm going to put a layer of the bolognese sauce. And then I'm going to put a layer of some mozzarella cheese. Then I'm going to put again one layer of noodles. And I'm going to repeat that process until all my bolognese sauce is over. On the top I'm going to finish with a layer of noodles and layer of bechamel sauce. Bake it in the oven. Once baked, cover with some mozzarella cheese and enjoy your lasagna and the footage from my trip in Rome.
Love and love we lost, but simply a day without your smile. The story always coronation golden child. And even when you try the turbulent tear, all I want is to spread the joy you brought. How the fruit